Hi guys, this is Divanshu from Team Templated, and in this automation we have prepared a hiring automation which prepares image using templated. So I have used two scenarios in this whole automation, and this whole automation works as a seamless hiring solution. You can also use it for your organization, or with some little tweaks it can work for your specific needs. Also, you can use the whole automation by using the blueprint in the description section I'll provide. And here is the second automation I am using. So yeah, I'll explain you briefly how the whole system works, and let's get started. I have my database ready for my hiring details. I have the job position ready. I have the description ready. Who will be responsible for handling this job, and the application link. So what I have to do is to change the status of this particular column or this particular cell to prepare image, and then this automation runs. This automation runs and prepares the image using templated. So I'll tell you how templated works. I am just giving an overview of the whole automation first. So yeah, the image would be prepared. Image link would be here when it is prepared, and this status would change to image ready. I can check the image link over here, and then I'll change the status to post on LinkedIn. It will be not posted on LinkedIn as soon as we get the image URL. This status also changes. It goes to not posted on LinkedIn. I have to change it to post on LinkedIn, wherein my second automation, my second scenario checks this particular field also, and then posts a LinkedIn post with a timing here. So I'll run my automation once, and we'll see how this works in actual. So change the status to prepare image. We want this status to be in prepare image when we want to create an image URL. We would set every automation to run in every 15 minutes. That way they can check if something is updated. So I'm searching for rows, and I am looking for status prepare image. I'm filtering from this status, and these are data I'm getting. Job position, I'm getting the job position. I'm getting a description. The HR responsible for managing this and this. So yeah, so let's run this. Yeah, and an image has been prepared. I'll tell you how we can use templated, but just to show you how the workflow works, you can see that status is changed to image is ready, and you can check the image from here. So yeah, graphic designer image, hiring image post is ready. This is the description. This is the name of the job post. This is the mail to which the responsible person should be attending to, and this way my Airtable gets updated. Now when I check this, if everything seems fine to me, I can change this status to post on LinkedIn, and then this second automation runs. So how this automation would see is it would check if the both status image ready and post on LinkedIn is on there or not. If they are on this particular status, our automation will run and it will get posted on LinkedIn also. I'll show you how it looks. But yeah, you can see that the post is live, the status has been changed, and the time has been changed. So over on our LinkedIn, the image has been posted. This is how the image, the hiring post will go with the image. So I'll tell you how this whole automation works step by step now. The first module we are using, so there are two scenarios as you already know. The first scenario I have named hiring job image creator. And in this particular scenario, we are only creating an image and changing some status in our sheet to get notified on what has been happened and what needs to be, go next. So this is what we are doing. Here is a filter. We want that if status is only prepare image, then only the next module should run. The next module is a templated. So templated is an API for creating image. You can automate your image generation. You can automate your business PDF generation. So you can literally automate images for your different platforms. When you sign up, you get 100 free credits to test this API. So you can almost test this for free. You can use it with this workflow also. So I'm using templated over there. I have a templated already generated. So when you sign up, you can create a template of your own, or there are many templates. Also, we have an AI generator module, which is in beta state. This helps you to create an image using AI. So we can also give a reference image over here. And that way it prepares the image using that reference image. So I have already created my template. So in this template, we are basically changing this layer, position name, we are changing the description, we are changing the email. Also in this particular layer, we have adjusted it to full width because we want to fit in the width we have over here. And this description, we have auto fitted it to full height, so that we want that everything that is over here in the description should come in height and not go beyond over here. So text will overlap. So therefore we have used this functionality also in templated. The image is I have taken from a different software. You can download the image as one layer and then can add font layers like I have did using this templated editor. It is very much like Canva. I am also changing the email. So email layer is also made here. So back to my sheet, I have the job position, I have the description, I have the HR responsible for managing the application link and everything else. So in my templated, when you go, you have to sign up using your API key. You will get your API key in the dashboard of templated. Once you sign up, you have a native integration of templated in make.com. So no need to use HTTP request. Then you have to select your template ID, which is LinkedIn job image automation for me, as you can see here. Yeah, you can see the name over here. So this is the particular template we are using. The format I want is PNG. Okay, then we are changing the layer over here. We want to change the layer position name with job position. You can see that there is a layer name position, and we want to change them with this particular column. So this is what we are doing. We are mapping it to the right place, job description. Then we are changing the other layer, description layer. This is the description layer, and we are changing it with our description, which we have given. So you need to have all of this information prior to run this automation. And I have this for dummy social media posting. You can have your real social media details, or you can have your own hiring details over here. So description we are giving is from our Airtable again. This is the description we have mapped. We also want to change the email, and therefore we are mapping it to this particular section. HR responsible for managing an image is created, and then Airtable updates record. We are updating the same record as our first module. So we need to have the same ID. Therefore, this ID is mapped. The status we are changing it to image ready. This status is on prepare image, and when this automation runs, it changes to image ready, and an image link is posted here. As you can see, the link is we are taking from the previous module, which is templated. Here is the URL, and we are changing one more status, that is LinkedIn posting status. This particular status we are changing it to not posted on LinkedIn. So this is when image is created, but it is not posted on LinkedIn, and therefore we are keeping it this. So this is what is happening in our first scenario. In the second scenario, we are checking files that have these status, like status for image ready and LinkedIn posting status to post on image, and only then this the data can pass. Limit we have kept to 1, and therefore a filter is applied wherein status is again image ready and LinkedIn posting status is on post on LinkedIn. So any of the status are not there in the Airtable, this automation will not run further. The next module is HTTP get a file. So what we are doing is basically we are getting the image URL that is created so that we get data for image file, because we cannot post directly through the URL. Therefore, it is necessary to use this particular module wherein you have to call the image URL and you get a file. And then finally, we are posting it to LinkedIn. So the organization I have built is Renewable Affairs. This is the other organization I am using for making this dummy hiring system in over here. So the file is HTTP get a file. The title goes is hiring post for job listing. We are taking the job position over here. Like if it is for graphic designer, the title would be hiring post for graphic designer, and the content we are giving is writing on LinkedIn is we are hiring for job position graphic designer. Here is the job description. We get description from our Airtable only. Here is the job apply link. Apply link, we have apply links for all of the posts. So this way, this whole content gets posted on LinkedIn. Yeah, and then we are adding a module to sleep for at least I think 10 seconds so that the previous module runs perfectly. And then we again update the record in the Airtable, wherein we are taking the same record ID as this one, and we are updating LinkedIn posting status to post is live, and the time also. There is a time also over here which gets updated. So this is how our whole automation works. I'll quickly show you how this would work. So once you have job position and description ready, you just need to do prepare image. So the automation will prepare an image for us. We will set this both automation to run in 15 minutes. So whenever next time it runs, it will prepare an image for us. You can see that image is being prepared. The Airtable has been updated. You can see that image has been prepared. The status is also changed to image ready. Here is the URL of our image. As we can see, if it is correct, content writer, job description, and the email is correct, then what we can do is we can come to Airtable again and change the status to post on LinkedIn. This another automation will run and we'll check if both these status is image ready and post on LinkedIn, then only it will pass and post on LinkedIn. So yeah, it is posted on LinkedIn. We have a sleep of 10 seconds and an Airtable has been updated. You can see that Airtable has been updated and the status is also changed to post is live. And on my organization wall, I can see that the post has been posted successfully. So this way you can use this whole automation for your organization. You just need to have templated account. Again, I will link to the blueprint in the description section and you can use this blueprint for your business. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.